Hi, I'm Randy Vance for Boating Magazine. I am on Four Winds' brand new HD 180 bow rider. Now this boat is powered by Mercruiser's 250 horsepower stern drive. It's ideal for cruising, tooling around, and water sports. We're going to walk you through it right now. The HD 180 has a great stable ride. We like the bow forward seating, the extra wide area up there. But one of the nice things about it is the bow is so high, it gives you a good dry ride. And there are hard chines on this boat that give it great stability when you're at rest or just idling along. The 250 horsepower Mercury gives plenty of throttle and plenty of response. As we said, the whole seating area forward is extremely wide, but we like the forward-facing lounges. They're angled perfectly to relax looking over the bow, and there's stainless steel grab rails in the ideal position for a secure ride. You can fill this seating area in with cushions to make it a sun pad. Also at the bow is a sturdy receptacle for a stowaway ladder. Now the cockpit of the HD 180 is my favorite place on board. It starts with the great look of these consoles. The helm station has a nice gear package that's very performance styled. I like the toggle switches that are lighted. You've got a pocket that'll hold cell phones, and we've put 3 or 4 of them in there with plenty of room. We've got a nicely styled brow over both of these consoles, and we like the compartments here for holding other small gear. Another great feature in the portside console is the glove box that contains the stereo, audio input, USB input, and 12-volt receptacle. Now both the captain and the passenger get custom bucket seats with flip-up bolsters. You can swivel the seats around to face the seating aft and slide them forward for the ideal leg room. When you sit down here, you realize that Four Winds has paid a great deal of attention to comfort. You've got a bolster here that helps you keep from sliding forward in a sudden stop, and you've got padded armrests here with cup holders. There's a walk through to the transom. You lift this wing and you have easy access to it, or you prop it up to convert it into a portside facing sun lounge. Now Four Winds calls this interior their tropical style. It's light colored and cool to the touch. It's got nice gray inserts, and like on all Four Winds boats, you've got perfectly straight double stitching to make the seats look great. Now for water sports, there's a standard tow eye on the transom that's ideal for pulling tubers. You've got an easy access ladder that you can reach from in the water for reboarding, and we really like the extra wide, extra long swim deck. Now the Four Winds HD 180 has plenty of room for big cruise, plenty of power for cruising and water sports. It's the ideal boat for hanging out on the sandbar, and you're going to look great doing it. I'm Randy Vance for Boating Magazine.